Alright, we're here for our first look. We literally, hold on, he's so excited. Hold on. We literally just took it out of the box, as you can see. Here's the box down here. If you want to watch our unboxing, just look around. You'll see a link somewhere. So here we are. And he's got it plugged in. It's also plugged into the mother. Say goodbye to the mother. She's not going to be here long. So why don't you tell us a little bit about what we're doing? Anything you like about it? Excited? Here's the little brochure that comes with it. Booklet, whatever. So you got any words, Drew?
Words?
Words.
I don't know yet. It's still like blowing my mind.
It has a real spring reverb in it. We did learn that. That's what this little red thing over here, my camera's not doing a great job of. There we go. This is, can we show me the spring reverb? Do something with it. It also has a pug coughing sound in it. Pug coughing. Hear it in the background. What's this? Can you talk us through what you're doing? I don't think he knows.
That's the arpeggiator.
Hey, arpeggiator. He does now. Shows me. Okay. So are you using both right now? Or you just have them lit up to look Christmassy? It has 3 oscillators on it. It really just says 2, but I guess one of them some sort of double oscillator. Right? Okay. It has a pitch knob, pitch shift. Here's the pitch shift. Here comes Nori. No, let her walk on it. Let her play a song. She has to christen it. Come on. Go ahead, Nori. Come on, Nori. You want to play? Nope. Come on. She's like,
Well, I guess it's a lot cooler than
I'm
this.
camera shy.
I mean, it's kind of the same.
Oh, she's playing.
It's a little bit of the same.
What do you think? Is that a good song?
I mean,
I like it, Nori. Nope. That's enough of that, she said.
this has got 2 oscillators, whereas this only has 1. And this actually has a 3rd oscillator. This one has two out of the noise.
Here she comes again. She's not very excited about it. Like, she's like, this is not what the piano sounds like. It keeps going.
Can you hear it picking up?
What's that?
It's the
spring? Nori, I like your music, Nori. We're gonna have to retitle this video "My Cat Plays Synth." Alright, as you were saying, oscillators for days. Some more? Anything else? Can you play a real song on it? Like a real song.
What?
Like some Fleetwood Mac. I'm just kidding. No, play something serious. You play a Christmas song? She doesn't like that one. Okay, that was lame. Now it's cooler. Yay! Merry Christmas, everybody!
That has one oscillator. This has got two. This has a 32 step sequencer. I was just reading. This has a 256 step sequencer.
Oh, you're saying the mother has a 32.
The grandmother.
And the grandmother has like
256, which means you can like
really get to it.
Write out a big huge line. Like where on this one I keep running out of. I mean, I don't have it hooked up at the moment. I keep running out of steps. I get to 32. Like I want to go. What is it? How does it go? Let's see. You know that song?
Mm-hmm. Another cool thing about the grandmother, is that you don't have to plug it in. See, this one right here, the Moog, we were having to plug it into this Casio over here to make it work.
What are you talking about?
To make it...
To play keys.
To play keys, there you go.
Keys, you gotta plug a
Not
keyboard
to make it
into
work.
it.
Yes.
But yeah, this one, right away, you're...
Right. Out of the box, you can play it a lot easier than the mother, because you have really got to learn. It's taken us years to figure out how to play the mother. Alright, well, we just wanted to do... You got some playback and recording technologies. Anything else you want to say before we go? You're at 1 minute.
1 minute, really?
Mm-hmm. Let's go. Anything?
I don't think so.
Okay, we're going to have a proper review. We just wanted to do a right out of the box to see if Drew could make it work, and he did.
I'm going to take the manual to work with me tomorrow and read it.
Yeah. And we're going to give this...
She's like, I love it.
We're going to give her some time to get used to that sound. And we'll let her play.
Wow, it's got the filter on it is huge compared to the filter on this. Is the cutoff on it? It's got this. To get that, you would end up turning this thing like this far on it, and this thing
it's gonna scream. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We're gonna have more Moog videos because I don't know if you heard, but Moog Fest is not coming back, so we bought a Moog instead. This is way more than what we would have spent on our ticket, but hopefully it's worth it.